Hello guys! Let's continue reading Bible story book. For today's title, A Huge Flood. Here it is. So Noah did everything as the Lord commanded him. Noah was 600 years old. When the flood covered earth, he went on board the boat to escape the flood. He and his wife and his sons and their wives with them, with all the various kinds of animals, those approved for eating and for sacrifice, and those that were not, along with all birds and the small animals that scurry along the ground. Genesis 7, verse 5 to 8. So, after the huge boat was completed, God told Noah that it was time for him, his family, and all those animals and birds to go on board. This must have been a strange sight to the bystanders. Imagine Noah herding all those animals together and leading them on board. Then Noah's children and their families boarded the ark. That was what Noah called his boat. 7 days later, it began to rain. It rained for days, for weeks, for 40 solid days. It rained and rained. It simply rained non-stop. The water level rose steadily until this ark that was built on dry land was floating. There was water everywhere. But Noah, his family, various animals in the ark were safe. All the people who had mocked Noah and who had abandoned God could not find shelter. What a pity that they did not seek shelter in God. Everything was swept away from the face of the earth. People, animals, plants, all except for Noah's family, who followed God's instructions. They were safe and sound in the enormous boat, gently floating the water. That's it for today, guys. By the way, this is Eiji Kun. Thank you for listening. Bye. See you again next time.